Okay, so let's create the virtual environment, and by creating the folder, this folder, let's rename it. Let's keep this folder as a common folder where you can create all your virtual environment inside it. Okay, let's rename it project folder. Okay, so inside this folder we'll create the virtual environment. Okay, so let's go to Visual Studio Code. We'll keep the folder inside it, and let's run a terminal where we'll create our virtual environment. Okay, so by running the command pip install virtualenv, we can create the virtual environment in a folder, project folder, and the next step would be to create the name of your virtual environment folder. So by running the command virtualenv, and this could be anything like this venv can be abcd xyz, any name which you can give. Okay, so this is totally up to you how you name it. So we'll create the venv folder inside it by running the command source venv/bin/activate. We have used after source the venv. Venv is the folder which we have created just. So by running this command, we'll activate the virtual environment. Okay, so inside this folder you can see the virtual venv folder has been created. Okay, so these are the libraries which is inside this virtual environment. Okay, so you can create your virtual environment project inside this venv or inside this project folder. So I'll better recommend to install your project inside this venv folder. Okay, so we'll go to the venv folder by running the command cd venv. Okay, so we are now in venv folder. Okay, so inside this folder we'll we will install the Django. So Django has been successfully installed inside our venv folder. Okay, and we can create the project inside a folder by running the command Django admin start project, and you can name anything of your project like project 1. So project 1 has been created inside the venv folder. Okay, this manage.py is outside this project 1 folder because this manage.py points directly to the settings.py file inside the project 1 folder. Okay, so manage.py directly points to the settings.py, whereas Django admin is a command line for all the administrative tasks. So talking about few of the commands of Django admins, there Django admin.py version. So this command is used to display the current Django version. Another Django admin command is Django admin.py check. This is used to perform a series of checks to verify your given setup that is compatible with the current version or not. Let's run the server. Okay, by running the command python manage.py run server. So here you will find the error in the because we are running the command inside venv folder, but the manage.py file is inside the project 1 folder. So we will go inside the project 1 folder by running the command cd project 1, and then we will write the command to run our server python manage.py run server, and you can check your project is running successfully on your look.